Very few people actually take the time when they're visiting Anchorage to get on the road and drive along the highway and into the wilderness areas. Most people stay in the greater Anchorage area or just jump on a tour. Now, this place is past Anchorage, a couple hours on the way to Matanuska Glacier. This is Long Lake. It's a pretty lake, runs right along the highway. It's got a tremendous amount of public access and stunning beauty. You can see the highway cutting right through here, right on the edge of the lake. Now, this is a real popular fishing lake as well as a hiking lake. People come out here and just enjoy the amazing scenery. Now, this isn't a destination on its own. It's between Matanuska Glacier and the Matsu Valley. It's in an area where there's a ton to see, a ton to do, and all the way in the distance there, you can see where you can drive right to the lake. That is a very visible, very public parking area where people can use to take out their pictures. Everybody stops right here, takes pictures, and keeps on going on their way to either Fairbanks or Valdez if they're coming from Anchorage.